Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today with me I have this ceiling fan of Crompton Greaves, which it's the first time me seeing it and everyone else out there. So this is a Crompton Greaves a daycare, but a different version. So like it has all these scratches and cracks. It's not big of a big deal. It's been roughly used. I found this on OLX. The model is 5-star fan. That means this is a 5-bladed fan. So let's this is the original capacitor. This is the bottom, completely scratched. So this is a spinning piece. This is with the shaft. This is the specially designed down rod for this fan, specifically complete special design. So let's see what's inside this fan before we assemble it. So let's tear it down. So guys, this is the fan is opened. This is same like the 1990'S high breeze winding 18+18 because it has to handle 5 blades. This is the upper cover, you can see quite dusty. So let's assemble this back. Let me see the back side. This is like the 80's high breeze type cover, but without the other things. So let's fix it back. So guys, the fan is completely assembled. Just I need to put this medallion back. So this is the bottom side. Same rally fan like design the shaft is. Awesome. Let's assemble it. So guys, the fan is assembled. Let's install it. So guys, the fan is installed. You can see like the little bit of dirt that came from my dirty cloth. Not bad. So let's power it on in full speed. Wow guys, RPM is not as much because it's a 5 blades, but airflow is awesome. So the medallion is standing still. Airflow is awesome. So let's power it off. What unbelievable design is this? Seriously. Like, wow to the company for making something like this. No one has ever expected. Spin down time is not bad. Scratches are a lot. Needs a good restoration. Finding this paint is hard. So guys, that's it for today's video. It was a small one. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video coming really soon.